Hello, teacher. I am Diana Milena Andrade Diaz. I am studying a language and bachelor degree at UNAD University. Below, I will answer the following question from task 2. What I can learn from my former teacher is 1. Learning is more dynamic with images, games, and interactivity activities. 2. That to learning English, constant practice and listening, speaking and repetition, which helps my pronunciation and fluency when speaking this language. How can I apply teaching in my studies? 1. Was digital teaching recurses and games to learning vocabulary more effectively? 2. Watching series in the English language and listening to podcasts and reading English to reinforce comprehension and pronunciation. 3. Practice conversation with classmates or one online platforms to gain confidence when speaking. 4. Do repetition exercises in this language to improve fluency. See you soon. Thank you very much, teacher.